This is one of the easiest and delicious breakfasts you might consider making for your family. It can go well with either tea or pap or just alone. But before we begin, let me take you through the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. So I'll be making use of multipurpose flour, sugar, condensed milk, plantain, eggs, oats, onions, peppers, baking powder and salt. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers, and if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, then you are highly welcomed. This is Faithy Spot, where we share amazing homemade recipes, kitchen hacks and more. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel because amazing recipes await you. So I'll leave you to enjoy our recipe. Don't forget to like the video and drop us a comment after watching.